Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Glostrixin Hydrotermius. I am Arnab Jana, a programming lover boy. In this channel I will upload tutorials of different programming languages. Hope you all will like these videos. If you want to get premium mod applications at free of cost, join my Telegram channel. The link to the channel is given in the description box. The following code to the program is also given there. For any of your query, you may inbox me at the link given at the description. In this video I am showing you an amazing way to beautify your name, or any text you want.
It's black and white. Yeah. Black and white. Oh. 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 It's black and white.
Here I am using Visual Studio Code as my code editor. Let's start. At first set a string Glostrixin Hydrotermius as input of user's name. Then set a loop with for. To get better result, we are to use all capital letters. Now for each and every English alphabets, create each loops with if.
It's only right for all I know. It's only matter. It's calico. It's black and white.
To get best results, please get the code from my Telegram channel, whose link is given in the description.
It's calico. It's black and white. White, white, white. It's black and white. Yeah. Black and white. Oh. 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 It's black and white. It's black and white. Cold at the touch, dead in the eyes. No signs of life no more. I put your love under the knife. Leave me to die here all alone. No signs of life no more.
If you find this video important, then hit like and subscribe to get more videos like this.
It's black and white. Yeah. Black and white.